This nodule was opened to reveal 2 Ammonite fossils. Here you can see that when the nodule was cracked open, one of the Ammonites actually has part of the outer whorl stuck to the negative, or the imprint, of the Ammonite. Using our saw, we can cut away the piece of Ammonite that we need to glue back on in order to restore this specimen. We've already got it prepared to glue on, and as you can see, we've precisely attached the correct piece with the minimum amount of limestone, so that we don't end up taking too long removing lots of limestone later on for no reason. We've clamped it down, it's all secured, and here we go. All we need to do now is remove this little bit of limestone, and there you go. We've reattached the outer whorl of that specimen. There's a little Ammonite preserved just next to it as well. It's already shaping up to be quite the impressive piece. Smoothing off some of the matrix, we're getting closer and closer to having the specimen ready for display. There's just a little bit more fine work to do with the air abrasives and grinders, and then we're good to go. Let's take a look at the finished result. Here we have the finished specimen. As you can remember, when it was first opened, the Ammonite was broken. The little Ammonite wasn't even on show at all. And after some careful preparation, we now have this incredible fossil piece that can be displayed forever. What a cool find!